Subscribe the channel Unbox Discovery and hit the bell icon to get the latest tech videos first.
Hola, soy Leo Messi y este es mi video. Espero que les guste.
The box looks like this from the outside. The shoe is covered with a wrap. The real hero is here, the Nemesis 17.4 and some care instruction manual. This shoe is priced at $4,499. The tag is showing Adidas Nemesis Messi Tango. The side looks absolutely excellent. And we have logo Adidas at top. The side is very sharp and edgy that gives it a clear finish. The outer side is made up of plastic and rubber which gives it an extra smoothness. And last we have the grip. At sole is made of grip that gives you an extra grip in indoors. And we have a Messi logo at the top and also at the back written Nemesis and the Messi logo. If you're going to buy this is an excellent shoe at this price. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.